Storm Team meteorologist Kate Thornton with Central New York's most accurate forecast.
Well, a good Wednesday morning. Look at this sunrise. Absolutely beautiful as we see the sun poking up just over the horizon. Red sky in morning, sailors take warning. That's how the saying goes, right? Well, today we are still at risk for some pretty active weather, but not as considerable as it's been the last couple of days. Speaking of considerable, this is the damage reports from yesterday. Numerous reports, especially along and north of the Thruway. We had our tornado warning for the northern suburbs yesterday. Multiple reports of wind damage. But of course, we are focusing in on Canastota and Rome today. That is where likely tornadoes touch down. The National Weather Service will be doing their surveys for us. But a lot of the footage that you, the viewers, sent to us is actually helping and aiding the National Weather Service make those determinations. And so, of course, we will keep you updated as soon as we hear from them. I would not be surprised if we get at least an EF1 out of Rome. All right, so here's what it looks like right now on the radar. Things are very quiet. We have just a few showers up north. We did have one shower with a little bit of lightning just east of Buffalo, but it's still far off to our west. But like I said, we are not completely out of the woods. Our weather today is not going to be as intense as it has been. However, with that said, we still have a cold front to get through here, and it's a slow mover. But by the time it gets through here, it's not going to have too much of a punch to it, but we are still expecting some storms to have some gusty winds and some heavy rain. Little to no tornado threat for us. Thank goodness for that. And actually, the best chance for severe weather is just outside of the viewing area, but it does include over near Utica, going out towards the Mohawk Valley, and also down towards the Catskills, especially downstate. And you see on the timecast, plenty of cloud cover, some light showers passing by mid-morning. It's still warm. It's still muggy today. Mid-afternoon, we'll notice some of these showers, and yeah, you see some of these isolated kind of red dots showing up. And so for areas south and east of Syracuse, the best risk were these storms. They move out of here after about 6 o'clock or so, and then we're much quieter tonight. Tomorrow's a little cloudy, but at least we get some sunshine. Temperatures are much better tomorrow as well. And for any of you watching us from the North Country, I'm not ruling out a very brief shower for you tomorrow afternoon. But otherwise, tomorrow starts a nice dry stretch of weather for us. Highs today, we're taking a step back. 85 today, so we're done with the fourth heat wave, tying for the most in a year. And then we'll be nice and comfortable the rest of the week. We're still very muggy today, but the humidity significantly falls off starting tomorrow. So that'll bring some much needed relief our way on top of the relief of just some quiet weather. We could use a little bit of a break, especially us here in the storm center, but of course, all of our emergency personnel, everyone's been doing a phenomenal job. It'll give everyone to catch their breath, enjoying the weekend too, a nice summery one, dry with highs in the 80s.